Are you born in the year of the dog? If you are, connections, great energy is coming for you in 2023. Keep watching. Welcome back. Thank you for staying. If you belong to the year of the dog, you are one of the lucky animal signs because the dog is a combination with the animal sign of the year, which is the rabbit. So that connection will give you good vibrational energy. So allow me to explain what are the stars orbiting in the space of existence of the animal sign of dog. The first one we have is the Emperor Star. So the Emperor Star is a star that give you the energy, that vibe to go out there and conquer. Because the emperors are conquerors. So go out there, network, connect with people, ask for help, ask for support, create an environment that support your goals and connect. Because this year you have the energy frequency, you still have to go and do the alignment. If you are looking for something like that, of course. If you are happy where you are, if you don't need to create connections, then it's fine. Then we have the Duke's combination, which is the one that help you to connect with people. Also another frequency to network, to create a network of support. So if you are climbing in your career ladder, of course you're gonna need to create a connection, a network, people who support your goals and your dreams and your vision. If you have your own business, you're gonna need a network that help you support your vision and your goals. So it's important to have that awareness to know how to focus the energy on 2023. You also have the Dragon Virtue, which is a star that will help you to become more responsible about your life, about your goals, about where you're going. So it's an energy that helps you to have a clear vision. So I'll show you at the end of the video how to activate them, where to activate them, and also create some meditations for you to go deep onto your soul and make things happen this year, okay? The only bad star that you have this year is called brutal defeat. You must be careful because if you are in business, if you are at work, this is not a great energy to have. So I'll show you how to activate at the end of the video, okay? So of course you need to know exactly where is the dog. So if you are born any of these years, you most likely you are a dog in the year of birth, but you may have it in the month, you may have it maybe in the day or in the hour, and that means different things for you, okay? So plot your charts in my link that I provide in the link in the bio, and be aware what's coming for you, because we are ultimately spirits having a human experience here on earth. So when we are aware what energy frequency is available, then we can connect, we can align, we can know what we can do in the yearly basis, and that's a powerful thing to have, okay? The awareness. So when this energy every year come and we are aware, then we can take actions in a positive way. So this energy will impact us spiritually, emotionally, it will affect us physically, because this is personal Feng Shui. So this is very important aspect of the application of Feng Shui. So when we are aware of what's coming, it's great, because then we can prime ourselves, we can activate, we can get ready. So what's priming? Priming is studying, priming is visualizing, calling intentionally our energy in. We can activate our Feng Shui and we can take actions towards our goals and our dreams. So we can do this through incantations, mantras, prayers, meditation, and We can do this through reading books. We can do this through hiring mentors, coaches, teachers, people that help us to grow. And we activate it through our intention and our actions, of course. So that's why it's so important and so awesome that we can have access to the knowledge of the self, the spiritual energy coming for us. So this is for those who have you may have the dog in the year pillar. So if you have the dog in the year pillar, this is the year for you to connect with people that is powerful. Maybe you have the chance to meet people who is powerful and famous in your industry or far away in different countries, people outside your inner circle. So connect with people, get their favors, get your friends to introduce you people from your work. If you are building a career or if you are in business, get networking this year. Create network. It's very, very important. Okay. If you have the dog in the month, then maybe you become a little bit more influential at your work, more power. And remember, with power comes responsibility. So if you're ready to maybe ask for a promotion, then this is the year for you to be mindful that more, if you want more, you have to give more. So that's something that you can plan, prepare, and activate this year. And maybe you have the ability to influence your people at work, to get them to believe in you and support you and give you that boost and give you that support to promote you, because you need to influence your coworkers to be able to lead them if you get promoted, right? So people learn how to lead. If you don't know how to lead properly, take a course. If you don't know how to network, take a course, read a book. There's so many courses for learn how to network and learn how to lead. So if you are shy, if you are afraid, then go and learn how to do it. It's very, very easy if you want to get to a different level. If not, then if you're happy where you are, then it's fine. Don't worry. Maybe you have the dog on the day, then allow your spouse to be the leader, the boss, allow your spouse to be the emperor in the house. Just chill and relax and let go of the responsibilities of the home for this year at least, or accept that, because sometimes when the partner on the other person is the one always making the decisions, one person get affected emotionally. So because this is the year, don't get attached to other people's behavior. Just because you have the awareness, because you watch this video, now you know. So just awareness is power, right? Now, if you have the hour and the dog in the hour, then maybe your children are a little bit in the emperor's energy, very bossy, very powerful, want to make their own decisions. So depend the age of your children, then you can allow that, guide them, provide some insights and views and guidance so they can manage the emperor energy wisely, because it's very powerful energy. So, or if you have employees, for example, or if you are a boss, then you may have that energy from your employees. They want to be the boss. So because you know, because you understand, then detach from that energy and lead even better. So become wiser and learn how to control the emperors that are juniors, okay? So also maybe your children have great ideas, they want to start their own business, they want to become powerful, or your employees, if you have a business, then your employees maybe they want to start their own business, they want to go and start new things. So just be mindful of those things and learn what to do, okay? Plan. Most importantly, plan. So with the information from this video, vision your goal, your plans for the year, and see what you can use to help yourself, support yourself, and protect yourself. Protection comes from awareness. So when you know what's happening, when you know who's coming, what's the influence, and you open up your intuition, you know what to do in the right time, in the right place, with the right people. So connect with your intuition. Also, download my guide and my template. Work on your floor plan, draw it, apply, because I'm going to show you where exactly you can find your dog. So in any place you live, any house, any office, the dog sector is the northwest. So what do you need to do there? Make sure that in your home, this space is no clutter. The flying starts flying in, don't destroy the energy of the dog. They're no destructive. So make sure that you apply the Feng Shui. There's my guide for free. You can connect with me. Also in the space, make sure that energy is clear. There's a place for you to meditate, to study, a desk, maybe the energy is not stuck in there, there's no storage room. Whenever the energy is low in you any aspect, then go there and find out what's happening, especially if you have the dog in the year and the day, and also the month, because the month represents your career. So make sure you open the door, clear the area. Always be aware what's happening there. Okay, this is one technique. There's so many to have great feng shui. This is one of my favorites for health and mental strength and inner strength. So use it. I'm gonna show you also once again the energies that we're gonna activate and deactivate with the meditations at the end. Make sure to connect with me in any of my channels. Leave me a question. Let me know where is your dog, and then just connect with me through any of my channels. Send me a message. Please do share, subscribe, follow to learn more. Most importantly, go and watch the videos and know that those activations are very powerful because I designed them with binaural sound. Binaural sound is very powerful to go deep on your unconscious mind, and the unconscious mind is responsible for 95% of our actions in life. So make sure to have that activity with the meditations. Make sure to connect with the energies, be aware what's going on, and you can do this every month, every week, even every day. Listen to the meditations, activate the energy, apply the flow plan, and you're gonna have a great year. I wish you all the best, and please make sure to follow, share, and remember to be the light the world needs to see. And you and I will see each other in my next video.